So we have completed definition and types. Now we are moving to forest cover. So forest cover in India. According to the state records of forest, 23.28% of total land is covered with the forest. So the total land of India, out of which 23.28% is covered with the forest. So this is the land area. But actually there are two things. One is forest area and second is actual forest cover. So these two are both different things. So what we have just discussed is 23.28%, it's the forest area. So जो actual जो forest area है, that is basically notified and recorded as if the forest area is notified and recorded as a forest land irrespective of actual existence. So it has been recorded so long ago that in some place there used to be forest, but later on whether that forest actually exists or not, that doesn't count in forest area. They basically have the previous data with that. If there was a forest land, so that will be counted in forest area. Whether there is the actual existence or not, that doesn't matter. And second one is forest cover. That means actual forest cover. So what is this? It's basically the actual existence of the forest. So area occupied by the forest with canopy. So it counts the actual forest area that actually exists on that place. So we have two different terms. One is forest area, second one is actual forest cover. So in our country, the forest region varies place to place and state to state. So in some states we may have the forest region in larger quantity, and in some states we may have the region of forest that has lesser in area. So like for example, in Lakshadweep, there 0% forest area has been notified, and whereas in Andaman and Nicobar there 86.93% has been notified. So according to Indian State of Forest report, that was published in 2011, it has notified the actual existence of this forest is just 21.05%. So even we had the previously 23.28%, but the actual existence is 21.05%. So these states have variation like Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. In forest region, these have many choices, many aspects like population, industrialization, cultivation, and so many other factors that affects the amount of forest actually exists in that state. So based on this, these states has been divided into 4 categories. So on the basis of actual area cover, these states has been divided into 4 regions. So one is region of high concentration. So in that one, the actual forest area cover is about more than 40%. And second one is region of medium concentration. So under which the states which have from 20% to 40% forest cover. And third one is region of low concentration. So in this one from 10% to 20%. And the last one is region of very low concentration, that has the forest cover less than 10%. So the states have been divided into these 4 categories. So this is all about the forest cover. Now we will read about the conservation of these forest covers. Cut.